Hi, I'm Aaron, Digital Literacy Librarian at the Oshawa Public Libraries, and I'm here to show you how to get set up and get reading CloudLibrary eBooks on your Android device. The first thing we're going to do to get up and running with CloudLibrary eBooks is open up the Play Store app in order to find new apps for our Android device so we can install the CloudLibrary app. I've got that on my home screen right now, but you might have to open up your apps listing to find it on your Android phone or tablet. With the Play Store open, I'm going to search for CloudLibrary. And I do find the app here, which means my device is supported. But before we grab the app, just a note about app availability and support. If you search your device's Play Store for the app and you don't find it there like this usually means your device is older and that it's consequently no longer supported. Specifically, Android 4 and earlier are no longer supported by CloudLibrary, nor indeed by Google itself. If you do have an older Android device and you do want to continue to use it, using the CloudLibrary service through the device's web browser may work depending on the recency of that web browser as well. And you can do that by visiting yourcloudlibrary.com. So that's one option to consider. But on this newer device, the app is available, and so let's visit its store page. And opening its store page, I'll click Install to start the installation process. This part may take a while as the app is fairly large and needs to be both downloaded and installed, so a little patience may be required. And once the app is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to click the Open button to open the app for the first time. We'll tap Continue. Then we'll enter our country, province, and library as Canada, Ontario, and Oshawa respectively. Lots of Canadian libraries out there, so scroll down to O to find us. Then accept the terms of service when and if you're comfortable doing that. And that brings us to Library Card Login. Here you'll enter your library card number as written on your library card. That begins with 29364 and should be entered without spaces. Then you'll enter your PIN or password. You can contact the library at 905-579-6111 or use the contact form on our website if you need help retrieving your PIN or password. I'm going to skip the application tour for now, but you might want to do the tour to get familiar with the app. Then, once I'm logged in, I can start browsing. But the first thing I'm going to do is set my filter options. Specifically, I'm only interested in eBooks, and I prefer to browse books that are available for immediate loan. So I'm going to toggle eBooks and Available Now in the filter options. So now I can browse and pick a book to loan anytime. So I'll tap the cover image of one book to pull up its own page, and there I'll tap Borrow to check it out. Then I'll hit Read, and it'll load the book. From within the book, I can browse by swiping my finger back and forth, left and right across the screen, just as if I were turning the pages of a book. But for now, I'm going to tap the screen once to open up the menu instead and change some settings. You can set the color of the screen if you'd like. You can tap large and small A icons to make the text bigger or smaller. And you can also turn on scroll mode if you like to scroll the text up and down instead of left and right, which personally I prefer. And those are all the basics of finding and installing and using CloudLibrary under Android. If you're looking for more information on Oshawa Library eBooks and online resources, you can visit us online at oshawalibrary.on.ca, or if you have further questions, you can call us at 905-579-6111.